Alright, here we go. Another football helmet. We got a Dak Prescott helmet here. Oh, that looks cool. This one has a JSA, Certificate of Authenticity. Yeah, right there. Ooh. That signature, man, that, I don't care what you say, he's got a cool signature. It's a Schutt helmet. This one's a little different from the replicas. A little American flag back here. It's not 3D. This one is 3D bumper. Helmet is to be shined up a little bit, but overall it looks really cool. This is the Dak Prescott Schutt full-size helmet. And this is a pretty big helmet. You got padding in the ears, no padding anywhere else, but you've got little spots for it. So you can add padding to it. You could also add some 3D bumpers right here. You could add a visor, a new chin strap. A lot of crazy stuff you can do to add value, but even if you just leave it just like that. Dak Prescott helmet, full size, Schutt. That's a pretty cool helmet. If you're interested in winning one of these or raffling one of these off, let me know. This one was $20. You can win it for $20. 20 spots at $20. Let me know if you're interested. Thanks.